Hello, my name is Rosen and I'm a Sitecore developer at FFW agency. Today I want to share with you a module which I've been working on for a while. Its name is Sitecore Automation Framework and the module is about Sitecore installations. It's a PowerShell module which wraps SAF and adds some features on top of it. Also, there is a Visual Studio plugin which adds commands to Visual Studio, which runs the PowerShell commands functions and makes the installation of Sitecore even easier that way. Well, let's check it. Here in the extensions, we can see that I have installed SAF extension for Visual Studio. And when you install this plugin, you get these new item templates here in the SAF section where you can choose your install configuration file. So let's choose the latest one for 9.1. And you can add these item templates in any C# projects within your Visual Studio solution. What we have here in the configuration file, it's actually a JSON file which just contains all the properties we need for the specific version of Sitecore. And it depends if you select XM or XP installation, you get what you only need for this installation here. The system section, it's internally used, so you don't need to change anything here. I won't go deeper right now in this stuff, but you also have the install package path for your Sitecore installation, the license file you need, the prefix for your installation, and then you have these sections for the Sitecore configurations, for Xconnect configuration. If you choose the XM package, you won't get this, so it won't confuse you. The identity server section, EXM search, yeah, it will install Solar as part of your installation and configure it. So easy peasy. And SQL section, it's important to know that you need this admin username created in SQL Server before you run your installation. And the idea here is that you just choose your install configuration, add it to your solution, and then when you come and right click on the file, you have this subsection, and here you have this quick install option, which you need to run. And because I want to install the latest version of Sitecore, so I should come and change this thing to 9.1.1 and change the package which will be used. So let's change this thing. All right, save it. And now right click and choose quick install. And we see that the Visual Studio command actually calls a PowerShell and function, and it opens the PowerShell console, loads our PowerShell module, and calls the function. And yeah, it's done with pipelines. So here you see which pipeline will be run and what it includes. And yeah, it just started, and now you just should wait and it will get installed. Let's see what else we have here, because we see some folders and stuff. Yeah, we could also uninstall, of course, Solar and Sitecore. Basically, we can make uninstall of our instance. So we have uninstall Solar, we have uninstall Sitecore, which we will install everything Sitecore related. And here in Solar we have some commands. Actually, here we have some commands which could be run on already installed instance. Like if we, during our development, if we add new cores, Solar cores or stuff, we can just add them here in the JSON file because everything is configured here. And it's win-win because everyone installs, every new guy comes to the project and install the project, it will get it all configured with all custom cores and stuff. And the guys who already have the instance running, they can just come here and add the new cores, the solar cores or the rebuild cores for the switch on rebuild strategy. They can also install some Sitecore packages from here. They are just put in a folder, and then everything in this folder is getting installed in Sitecore. They can add or update custom databases. This is all for like an configured and installed instances. So yeah, we have some features which could be expanded in the future and stuff like that. Let's see what's going on here. Yeah, it's downloading Solar right now. And I want to show you something. If let's say that now the script fails for some reason, and yeah, this is happening with PowerShell because it could be very very different reasons for PowerShell to fail. It could be the machine, what you have installed. You could miss something, some PowerShell module or something. There are many different reasons, and you can get errors. So the idea here is that if you get an error and then you resolve it and then you run the script again, you see now that it remembers the successfully passed steps. So it won't go through them one more time. So it will continue from the failed step. And if you fixed your issue, then you're fine to go, let's say. And yep, what can I say more? Right now we are on the configure solar step. It's interesting also because during the installation, the module will generate some PFX certificates, SSL certificates, which means, and if it, let's say that it generated them, then you could add them to the source control, and when the other developer on the team runs the installation on his machine, these certificates won't be generated again, and he will use the same SSL certificates which you use on your machine. So you could share these SSL certificates, then you can update them or stuff like that, if that matters actually for you. But that's how it works. It generates the certificates here, and you have them on your machine and in the source control if you want. And yeah, I don't want to go deeper in this. There are many other things for sure, but I just want to brief you with what we have here because I'm considering making this public, or actually it's already public, but it's not properly tested and this kind of things. So I want to check what will be the interest in this module. We will use it, just yeah, like the the tweet or whatever, text me, and we can think about how we can make this work and how the community could use it, let's say, in the future. Well, yeah, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I will appreciate any feedback from you. Just like the tweet, comment, and yeah, I really want to push that thing out. And if you like it, then please help me with some feedback so I can make it sooner. Uh, Thank you. Bye.